You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases. If you want to learn more names from the NFL, names of players in particular that are confusing and that many mispronounced, stay tuned, and names of teams. Stay tuned, got many videos for you at the end of this one. NFL for National Football League, NFL playoffs, NFL playoffs. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.